Hello, want to protect your personal apps from prying eyes? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to put a password on apps on the Honor X6e and enable app lock in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to protect your messaging apps, gallery, banking apps, social media, and any other personal information. You won't need to install any third-party apps. Everything can be done using the built-in features of your Honor X6e.